Taking effective notes is an essential skill for students to learn. Here are some tips on how to make good notes. Be prepared. Bring all the necessary materials to take notes, such as a notebook, pens, highlighters, and sticky notes. Use abbreviations. Develop a set of abbreviations for commonly used words to save time and make note-taking more efficient. Listen actively, pay attention to what the instructor is saying and try to understand the main points of the lecture. Use headings and subheadings. Organize your notes by using headings and subheadings to break down the information into smaller, more manageable chunks. Use visuals. Draw diagrams, graphs, or mind maps to help visualize the information. Highlight important points. Use different colors to highlight important points or to distinguish between different types of information. Review and revise. Review your notes regularly and revise them if necessary. This will help you remember the information better and prepare for exams. Summarize. After the lecture, summarize the main points in your own words. This will help you understand the material better and remember it more easily. Use active learning strategies. Engage with the material as you take notes, for example, by asking questions or making connections to other topics you have studied. Stay organized. Keep your notes in a designated folder or notebook and make sure to label them with the course name and date. This will help you stay organized and find information more easily when you need it.